This might be one of the most miserable places in the world. Home to some 73,000 people, 12,000 of them foreigners, detained as the Islamic State group collapsed in Syria. Welcome to Al-Hawl. And now, with many Western nations refusing to take back their citizens, questions are rising over breaches of human rights.
It's about the principle. When that happens, the option the European Court of Human Rights has is to condemn France for the violation of the provisions of its convention. And France has an obligation to take all measures to put an end to this violation and therefore to order repatriation.
France currently considers requests to return on a case-by-case basis and is particularly reluctant to take back its citizens 4 years after a wave of terror attacks that have killed scores in its territory since 2015. The parents of one extremist, though, are seeking to have her young children brought over, even if she herself is left to face trial in Syria or Iraq, making the case at the European Court of Human Rights that France is violating the right to enter the state where they're citizens. It would be the first time such an argument has been used in the case of the extremists' children.
Are we judging children? Are we charging them with something? Have they committed a crime, a misdemeanor? Have they decided to join the Islamic State? Have these kids, 3/4 of whom are under 6 years old, committed such wrongdoing that France would decide to let them perish and die in camps?
With disease running rampant, that's not unlikely, with reports other children have died through lack of medical care already. However, another question must be asked even if those children are authorized to return. Who will foot the bill for dealing with the deep psychological scars left by exposure to the horrors of war, with those least equipped to handle them?